from?
He doesn't have a...
Oh, no.
3, 2, 1. Hello! Whatever the saying is.
Oh, I dropped it.
Today we're going to be doing makeup on a squishy challenge. Oh,
And we're going
upside
to see
down.
who does better. Please leave in the comments down below who did better. I'm so bad at lipstick. I'm trash at
Me
that.
too.
Seriously. Look,
Okay, so here's
put
my
on-
squishy.
It's like a
Here's my squishy. What the heck? It's musically. She didn't even open that up.
What the heck? I just closed it. Didn't you see me close it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So,
So-
here is my squishy.
I'm going to go close it. Oh, my uniform.
Okay.
It's not here anymore. No more.
And there is a lot of defects, like cracks. What?
What?
It's on again.
Do you really want me
With
to
5
Do
times.
you want me to sign in? Is that what you really want? Then you'll stop. Will you stop if I sign in? Goodness.
Oh, finally.
It's off because I just signed into it. So.
Okay, so here's my squishy. It does have a lot of defects, and it does have like red stuff on it. I think it's because I was drinking a smoothie and it fell. Or is it nail polish? I don't know. Or it's probably my slime.
Oh yeah, we didn't show this. So.
We'll show the slime in our next video. So,
We can show this time at the end of this video.
yeah, but we have to face it another way. So we'll show it in our next video. Okay,
Yeah.
show your squishy.
So this is my squishy. It's defected. It's not really solid. See, it has like scratchy marks right there.
It's not a scratchy mark. It's like a scar there.
This is not really a squishy.
Okay, so we're gonna put nail polish on it and lipstick and mascara and stuff. So let's get started. I'm going to start with some lipstick. So here's the brand of lipstick that I am going to use. Well, I don't know what brand it is, but if it will focus. I don't know if it will focus though.
You have to like
Get-
go, like it has to be like out, and then it has to focus on it, and then you put in.
Whatever.
So
Okay, it's not
read it to
focusing.
them, just read it to them.
It says theme lipstick clean color. It's this red.
This
really
is so
pretty.
yellow.
I know, because I had it for a
Compared to
long
this
time. It looks.
Yellow.
This one looks bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm the worst at putting on lipsticks on
Show them,
squishies.
show them the lipstick.
Here's the lipstick. Turn.
I'm using mascara.
First. Oh God, no.
So it's beautiful
Ah!
mascara. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put it on
Ah!
this panda bun.
Ah!
Oh yes. Oh yes. Those eyelashes though.
Miranda sings. Right now it's Miranda sings.
I cannot do this.
Me neither.
Isn't this amazing? It's amazing.
Mine is Miranda
Let's
sings.
make it full and opaque and oopsie.
Mine is Miranda sings.
Pretty good. This is like way too much.
It's fine. Mine is Miranda sings here.
No, I want like a pink lipstick. I'm gonna put like.
she looks like a dark queen.
Do you want the mascara next?
Yes, I'll put it on. So here's the mascara. It's like this really cool brush.
It's like one of those things in horror movies.
Oh God, I got it on myself. I'm horrible at putting on mascara. It's not enough. Oh God.
Mine's gonna be scary. Like chickens. Since we don't have blush today, we'll just use like lipstick as a blush and just blend it or something. Yes. Yes. I have to blend in the blush and make it pretty. Oh, maybe lipstick doesn't really work as blush.
Well, on a squishy. Oh my god, it looks pretty on this side. This side.
So, here's the squishy. It's squishy on the mascara part. Oh no, I touched the mascara! Of course I did touch the mascara because I like that. And we need some eyeshadow.
This is the color that I'm going to paint its nails.
We didn't.
I don't know where the hand is, but I'm just gonna put it on.
Yeah. We did have any eyeshadow, so I used peel off nail polish. These are eyebrows. Aren't they big and bulky? Oh no, I touched them. Of course I touched them.
I'm using the nail polish for the blush.
That would have been a better day in my. That's definitely a better idea than. Wait, I'm gonna go get some eyeliner.
You have eyeliner?
No, I'm just gonna use this pen.
Ah, I messed up.
Do you guys see that defect? It has a unibrow below its eyebrows.
I'm gonna use black for the eyeshadow because it changed my mind. This is how mine looks so far, so I'm gonna change these eyelashes into eyeshadow. So I'm gonna put black nail polish over it, and then I'm gonna just put this mascara because our goal is to use at least mascara, nail polish, lipstick, and that's it. So we're just gonna put nail polish over the black and add the eyeliner on top of the black nail polish. And here are the nails. It's funny. The nails looks funny.
So I messed up on the
eyeliner.
the eyeliner. So this one looks fine, but then look at that. They're uneven. My friend with OCD.
What did you say?
Nothing. So I am going to. Ew, there's nail polish. How's the nail polish?
This is very funny.
So I am going to make it a nude color for the nails, I think, and put a French tip. Because obviously it matches. Actually, no. French tips are too hard on squishies. What color? I'm going to use this purple color. Okay, can you see it?
Does Kaylee watch our YouTube?
Yes.
She does.
So I'm going to paint its nails. Yes. 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 Wait, it looks so weird when I do that.
Don't put this on your eyes. There's no polish on it. Yeah, that's very pretty. Oh, and then I'm going to give her some eyebrows. Her eyebrows are going to be above her ears, though.
Oh my goodness. Mine is turning out so weird.
Mine is too. I messed up on the eyebrow.
Which eyebrow? The front one or the back one?
The first one.
I said the front or the back.
First.
Front or back eyebrow?
First.
First eyebrow?
Yeah.
Customizing squishies. Yeah. Did you put a glossy top coat on the nails?
I forgot to.
Ah!
I'm gonna add some hair.
Beautiful. I really like this one because it's like sharp and edgy. Yeah, but this one just goes up. Yeah. Lower eyelashes make everything better. We are venturing out into the squishy wonders we're going to draw here. I'm going to use this
3D glitter.
3D top coat lip thingy for the ceiling for the nail.
You should do hollow. This is really hard.
Don't you love these eyebrows? Yes. Like the best part. It's not squishy. There's like one little heart right there.
Do you like my bangs?
Beautiful.
Here it is.
I haven't colored in the hair yet.
It's really cool.
So
I
I
squished the
covered.
lipstick. Still.
I covered the eyebrows with black nail polish, and I think I made it worse. So here's mine. I'm
The
gonna.
nail polish is pretty much.
Ready?
Glittery tacos everywhere.
This is amazing. So has like a little heart right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where? I
Right
can't see
there.
it.
Right there.
There's no heart.
Yeah. And like the hair is like half green, and I did like a little shading thing. Right
Where?
over here.
Glittery tacos everywhere.
And the other side is brown.
Glittery
I
tacos everywhere.